Welcome to Fluent English Speaking. The title for today's story is The Lazy Man's Golden Dream. He was lazy, he only dreamed of gold. But one strange night, everything changed. Let's find out how. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a man named Ramesh. Ramesh was kind-hearted but very lazy. He spent his days lying under a mango tree, dreaming about a life filled with riches. The villagers often teased him. "Ramesh, when will you stop dreaming and start working?" asked Meena, the shopkeeper's wife. "Why work when dreams are so beautiful?" Ramesh replied with a grin. One night, Ramesh had a strange dream. In the dream, a golden pot appeared before him. A soft voice whispered, "Ramesh, this pot of gold can be yours. But first, you must complete 3 tasks. Only then you will find the treasure." The next morning, Ramesh woke up excited. "A pot of gold. I must get it," he exclaimed. But then he frowned. 3 tasks? That sounds like too much work. Despite his hesitation, curiosity got the better of him. He decided to try. How hard can it be? He thought. The first task was to fetch water from the well for an elderly woman. Fetch water? Me? Ramesh groaned. But as he carried the heavy pot, he realized something. This is not so bad. The old woman's smile makes it worth it. The second task was to repair a broken fence for a farmer. Ramesh dragged his feet to the field, muttering, "Why does this treasure make me work so much?" But as he worked, he felt a strange sense of pride. "I built this with my own hands," he said, admiring the sturdy fence. For the third task, he had to gather firewood for the village temple. As he tied the bundle of sticks, the priest said, "Ramesh, your hard work will light the temple lamps. You should be proud." Ramesh smiled shyly, feeling a warmth he hadn't felt before. When he completed the third task, Ramesh sat under his favorite mango tree, exhausted but happy. Suddenly, a golden pot appeared before him. The same soft voice whispered, "Here is your treasure, Ramesh. You earned it with your hard work." Ramesh opened the pot eagerly, but it was empty. Confused, he asked, "Where is the gold?" The voice laughed gently and replied, "The gold is in the lessons you've learned. Hard work brings real happiness." Ramesh looked at his calloused hands and smiled. For the first time, he felt rich. From that day, Ramesh was a changed man. The villagers no longer teased him. Instead, they admired his determination and effort. "Dreams are beautiful," Ramesh would say, "but it's the work we do that makes them come true." Thanks for watching. Ramesh didn't find gold, but he found something even richer. What do you think that was?